Adik has been leasing a beauty salon in La Crescenta for the last 20 years. Well, the rent is now going up 10%. Adik wants to know, who do you complain to about something like that? All right, first of all, if there is an active lease in force, in other words, if the property is still under its lease, the rent can't go up at all. However, when a lease is up, there is no legal limit in California to how much the rent can be raised unless it is a rent-controlled property. The only conditions here are how much notice a tenant has to be given. So if a rent is going up 10% or less, 30 days notice must be given. If the rent is going up more than 10%, 60 days notice must be given. In answer to your question, Adik, when you face a rent hike like this, you can complain to the State Department of Consumer Affairs. Got a consumer question? Email me at asklaz@latimes.com or find me on Twitter @DavidLaz.